In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update tracking information on eBay. This is an essential task for all sellers looking to ensure their buyers have the most current details regarding their purchases. Staying on top of this can greatly enhance the purchasing experience and foster trust between you and your customers. So let's get started by logging into eBay Seller Hub. Once you're on the eBay homepage, you'll want to go to the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials carefully, and once logged in, look for the Seller Hub option. This hub is your main control center for all things related to selling on eBay and offers an overview of your store's performance, orders, listings, and much more. Next, navigate to the Orders section. Sometimes this is labeled as the Sold section, depending on your account settings or eBay's current interface. The purpose of this section is to give you a detailed view of recent sales that need your attention. Consider this your to-do list for managing transactions that keep your customers satisfied. Once you're in, you'll see a list of orders you've recently confirmed. Take a moment to review these details carefully, ensuring you have the correct order selected for updating. If you have a large number of orders, you can use the search function or filters provided to narrow down your options and locate the specific order. Upon selecting an order, your focus should be on the Add or Update tracking number option, which should be displayed either directly under the order details or as a button within the options menu. It's a crucial link because adding or updating the tracking details will assure your customers that their purchase is on its way and provide them with peace of mind about its expected delivery. The next step is to enter the tracking number and carrier details. The tracking number is usually provided by the shipping carrier. Double check that you input these numbers accurately. Then select the shipping carrier from the drop-down menu as well. It's critical as this information defines the authenticity of the tracking and links directly to the shipping company's trace system. The final step involves saving your changes to notify the buyer. This save action is vital because it automatically triggers a notification to your buyer, informing them that their package is now being tracked. This proactive approach not only guides them on where to check for their package's progress, but also assures them that you're dedicated to transparent and timely delivery. Remember, each time you follow these steps, you build credibility and encourage repeat business. If you have any questions or run into issues, eBay's Help Center is a valuable resource to explore. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this process helps you manage your orders more efficiently and effectively in the future.